top. Buffett does the opposite because he controls his emotions. How can you develop this emotional control? 3 simple rules. 1. Don't check your portfolio during market crashes. 2. Remember, every crash in history has been followed by recovery. 3. Focus on the fundamentals of the companies you own, not the daily stock price. Section 5. Your action plan. So here's your action plan for the next market crash. Step 1. Start building your cash reserves now. Even $50 a month adds up. Step 2. Create your watch list of quality companies. Step 3. Set up automatic investments in low-cost index funds. Step 4. When the crash comes, stick to your plan and ignore the noise. Market crashes happen every 7 to 10 years on average. The next one is coming, whether we like it or not. The question is, will you panic like everyone else? Or will you profit like Warren Buffett? Outro. Warren Buffett once said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Start planting your financial tree today so you can profit during the next market crash. If this video helped you understand how to invest like Buffett during tough times, hit that like button and subscribe to Moneygic for more simple investing strategies. And tell me in the comments, what's one company you'd love to buy during the next market crash? I read every comment, and I'll see you in the next video.